Well, hello everyone. Sorry it's been so long since the last video. Life and work have been very busy. There's been some fairly significant life changes in the Rescue Saga household. But no matter, we recently reached a big milestone on the YouTube channel. We've crossed 100,000 views, which is really good. And we're over 250 subscribers now, so if you could subscribe as well and you're watching this for the first time, your subscriptions would be really well appreciated. This is more like a catch up on the plans for the future. As you know, if you've been watching this channel for a while, this is the 1969 MGB GT. Recently had a wheel refurb. These are the original wheels, but they're recently powder coated, sandblasted and powder coated. This is ultra chrome. This is done locally here, and I've got new spinners, all four corners as well, and I'm really pleased with how that's turned out. It's really given the car a bit of a lift. Maybe you've heard me mention before in the channel, this car has always had a bit of a problem going over speed bumps. It drags a bit, and I might be able to show you underneath. This is quite low there, that silencer is really the problem. If you take a step back, you'll notice the back of the car does sit down quite a bit, so in the not too distant future I'll be fitting new rear suspension to this with poly bushes, really doing the job properly. Other things I'd like to do, I like to put proper chrome bumpers on it. Believe it or not, these are painted, painted silver. Actually done really well, but I really would like to get this car as original as possible. And then at some point we're going to think about painting it. In other news, the Morris Minor's running really well. It's got a bit of a water leak, so we'll be investigating that soon. I'll make a video about that. Also the Land Rover. Land Rover's really heading towards a full tear down and rebuild, really. I'd like to put it back to the original limestone. The engine is consuming quite a lot of oil and leaking quite a lot of oil, and I know the saying goes, oh sir, they all do that, but it's catastrophic, so that really needs investigated. So while that's happening, the MG and the Morris Minor will be my main classic mainstays. I'll be taking my time over the Land Rover. Going to do it really well, do it really thorough, as many sort of period upgrades as I can, new freewheeling hubs. I wouldn't mind a capstan winch if I could manage to find one. All these little things, but it'll all take time, so once again, thank you very much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, check out my other videos, and more footage coming along very soon. Thank you.